This is my spoken poetry entitled A Path of Their Desires. When I was young, their voices led each step I took, by others fed. They drew the lines, they marked the ground, and said, "Here's where your dreams are found." I walked their roads, unsure, confined, their whispers echoing in my mind. Be practical, they urge. Success is the key, ignoring the artist that was yearning to be free. Now older, I stand at the edge of the years, haunted by the echo of unspoken cheers. For the greatest adventure, the boldest of quests, is choosing your own path and putting your dreams to test. I'll stumble, I'll fall, I'll learn and I'll grow, but the seeds of my passion I'm determined to sow. A path they chose, a lesson so stark, to follow your soul and leave your own mark.